Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, scroll down and choose someone. Okay, tap on three dot option, click on block. Okay, this person is blocked. Then back, tap on profile icon, click on three line option. Okay, search on blocking, tap on block it and block it all person and just tap on unblock. Tap unblock to that's all. Unblock someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.